So here's Brand Connect on YouTube, and I'll just try to share my experience and explain what that is. So yeah, you can just go to the Google YouTube Help Center and see that YouTube Brand Connect is a self-service platform that connects creators with opportunities for branded content campaigns. Brands can use our proprietary influencer dashboard to execute their branded content campaigns and identify creators to work with. So basically, this is the platform which partly replaces the brand agency for you as a YouTuber. Like if your channel gets starts amassing some number of subscribers, let's say you have over 100k subscribers, then it's like you might have start receiving some deals from some other brands, some negotiations. And yeah, so basically, but if you're just doing your and managing your YouTube channel yourself, then it kind of becomes complicated because you need to find all of these other YouTube channels. You need to reach out to them. You need to create lists, create outreach, send them DMs on Instagram, TikTok, whatever, send emails. That's a lot of work. Usually people hire branding agency for that. So Brand Connect is just basically YouTube own marketplace where all these brands can find interested YouTube channels, and you just with Brand Connect you just add your channel to this platform, and it's much easier for YouTube channels, for brands to find your YouTube channels this way. Of course, then you can just give access to your brand manager to Brand Connect, and then they can also manage you, but then it's also less work for you, and it's more opportunities for you. So at the moment it's only in beta, so you need to be at least 18 years old, you need to be in YouTube partner program already, and you need to be based in the United States or India, and you need to have no community guideline strikes at the moment. If you have a warning, it should be okay. And then here you have how it looks like. You have Earn tab on the left, and then you have Brand Connect. Here you can just find some, this is how it looks like. I already joined it. I was invited a few months ago. Like I don't know how many people are invited, but hopefully it will grow and more users will join. So here you will see some overviews. If you have offers, you will see here. There is some on the right side. There is Media Kit, which is quite handy tool where you can see like your main audience interest, and YouTube kind of generates a very handy PDF for you. So if you click on your Media Kit, that's what you will see. That's how it looks like, and then you can also just download a handy PDF. It will nicely collect all the top characteristics of your YouTube channel, all the demographics, all the views, so something like that, and then audience interests, and this way people will be able to, like, brands will be able to navigate through your channel. That's already quite helpful because I didn't find a tool that can easily do it for you. Probably you need to use some YouTube analytics to manually copy paste all of these things to some slides and then just send to brands yourself via email. Here you just have it automatically generated for you, so it's already a huge time saver. And then another cool feature is that here you can just tap set suggested prices. Here you will see you can set up what would be like an average price for the brand to make a collaboration with you. So you may receive offers about or below your suggested price. You can change your suggested prices anytime, and then you can set up prices for long form video or for shorts video. So as you want, that's just what you can set up here. And then there is a nice help center, and if you will receive offers here, you will see them here, and then there is deal management. Ideally there would be like an offer section. If you receive an offer, you can then reply to this offer. There is a different process in United States and India, and then payment. If you're in United States, it should go 30 days after the your branded deal is published. Your branded content is published, I meant. So 30 days after that, you should receive a payment in AdSense. Uh, so yeah, and then here you can see all the details. It's still in beta. I think there will be much more changes. But yeah, give it a try. Why not? You can just, test different types of campaigns on YouTube and see if that works. I also recently joined like YouTube affiliate program where I'm tagging different products. I joined this. I didn't see a lot of success with these two programs. But yeah, it's just, let's test it out.